Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies without vanilla extract. First, ensure your butter is softened to room temperature, about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. You will need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Also, prepare 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This easy method ensures delicious cookies every time. Since we are skipping vanilla, let's explore other delightful flavor options. Almond extract is a popular substitute, offering a rich, slightly nutty taste. Use about 1/2 teaspoon. For a brighter cookie, add the zest of 1 whole lemon to your wet ingredients. A 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom can introduce a warm, exotic spice. Alternatively, a few drops of orange blossom water will give a lovely floral note. Once your wet and dry ingredients are ready, combine them carefully. Mix until the flour streaks just disappear. Overmixing develops gluten, making cookies tough. After mixing, wrap your dough tightly in plastic wrap. Chilling the dough for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 days is crucial. This step helps the butter solidify, preventing excessive spreading during baking and ensuring perfectly shaped cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. On a lightly floured surface, roll out your chilled dough to about 1/4 inch thick. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes, placing them 1 inch apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before adding any delicious decorations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.